I awoke all alone on a Sunday playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I can't change, maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead.